Andrea Ramsey, a Democratic candidate for Congress, will drop out of the race after the Kansas City Star asked her about accusations in a 2005 lawsuit that she sexually harassed and retaliated against a male subordinate who said he had rejected her advances. Multiple sources with knowledge of the case told the Star that the man reached a settlement with Lab 1, the company where Ramsey was executive vice president of human resources. Court documents show that the man, Gary Funkhauser, and Lab 1 agreed to dismiss the case permanently after mediation in 2006. Ramsey, a 56-year-old retired business executive from Leawood, was one of the Democratic candidates vying to challenge Republican Rep. Kevin Yoder in 2018 in Kansas' 3rd District. She was running with the endorsement of Emily's List, a liberal women's group that has raised more than $500,000 to help female candidates who support abortion rights. Sign up today for a free 30-day free trial of unlimited digital access. Ramsey will drop out on Friday, her campaign said. In its rush to claim the high ground in our roiling national conversation about harassment, the Democratic Party has implemented a zero-tolerance standard, Ramsey said in a statement Friday. For me, that means a vindictive, terminated employee's false allegations are enough for the Democratic Congressional Campaign Committee, DCCC, to decide not to support our promising campaign. We are in a national moment where rough justice stands in place of careful analysis, nuance, and due process. The Democratic Congressional Campaign Committee, which has not endorsed anyone in the race, said in a statement that members and candidates must all be held to the highest standard. If anyone is guilty of sexual harassment or sexual assault, that person should not hold public office, said committee spokeswoman Meredith Kelly. Emily's List said in a statement on Friday that the group supported Ramsey's decision to drop out of the race and wished her well. Ramsey was not a party to the lawsuit or the settlement, although she's referred to throughout the complaint as Andrea Thomas, her name before she married her husband in late 2006. She denied the allegations to the Star in 2 interviews over the last 2 weeks and said the lawsuit is surfacing now for political purposes. Ramsey repeatedly said that she was not aware of any settlement in the case, but said that if she had been a party to the case she would have opposed settling. Had those false allegations, been brought against me directly instead of the company, I would have fought to exonerate my name. I never would have settled, Ramsey said in an interview on Thursday. And I would have sued the disgruntled, vindictive employee for defamation. Individual supervisors are not named as defendants in federal sexual harassment or discrimination lawsuits because they are not considered employers under Title VII, the law that protects employees from discrimination, harassment, and retaliation for color, race, sex, and national origin. The lawsuit has been circulating in Kansas political circles as the first-time candidate runs for Congress amid a wave of sexual misconduct allegations that have rocked the political, entertainment, and journalism industries.